One more, one more high-level protocol is called as FTP, File Transfer Protocol. If we want to transmit a very large file, or we want to transmit multiple files, means many files we have to transmit in remote computers or a local computers, we are generally using a protocol called as FTP, because HTTP cannot handle very large files as well as multiple files at a time. So to transmit a file at faster rate, we are using FTP. In FTP, we need a client as well as server. In one machine, we are having a FTP server. In another machine, we are having a client server. FTP server actually also called as FTP website, which contain a computer with FTP installed. All the files which you have to copy is stored in the FTP server. That means if I want to upload some file or download some file, FTP servers we are using. In our computers, at the client section, we are having FTP clients. If we want to download some of the files from the server, we are using FTP clients. Just like HTTP, we are making a request to the FTP servers and provide some authentication such as username and password to access any data from the or to file from the FTP server. Some of the FTP client softwares we are using in today: Qt FTP, WS FTP, FileZilla, and in Microsoft Windows itself, we have a FTP client software in the command mode. You can directly type the FTP in the command mode to use FTP client. In file transfer protocol, there are two types of connection will be established. Actually, this file transfer protocol is it is just like HTTP, it is connectionless protocol. So it is using a protocol called as TCP for the connection. It is providing two types of connection. With the help of TCP, it created two types of connection called as control connection and data connection. This control connection can be used for identifying the user's password, that means authentication, okay, username, passwords, or if I want to create some directory in the remote computer or change it to the remote change directory to the remote computer. If I want to transfer some file or retrieve some file from the remote computers, we have to send some controls that can be done by this control connection. And the actual data transfer of that file will be done by data connection. There is a separate two connection will be established, one for sending the control signals and one for data transfer. And this diagram will explain how the actual data transfer or file transfer will be done in the file transfer protocols.